everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rocio and today I have this makeup tutorial here for you. As you can see, it's a very bright pink and yellow summer look, and if you do want to see how I created this look, just keep on watching. Alright, so let's get into the makeup look. So first things first, as always, my little ears to hold my hair back. I'm gonna start off with my eyes, lips, face, e.l.f., however you want to call it, poreless and blemish control face primer. I use both of these because my pores are kind of big around my nose area and I like to cover those up, but I also do have acne prone skin sometimes. It just like comes and goes, and so I do like to mix both of these together and just put it all over my face. Alright, now for my foundation, I've been leaving it upside down because unfortunately I've been really running out of this one. This is my favorite. It's the Born This Way Too Faced foundation. It's in the color Warm Beige. So this is actually one of my favorite foundations. I find it very easy to layer. It's kind of like a medium coverage, but you can take it up to a full coverage. Just covering up a little bit. But I'm gonna go in a second time and try and cover up around my chin area. I have some pimples there. Alright, so something I'm going to go in with now is the Maybelline New York Master Conceal. This is in the color medium. This is a really good concealer to cover up some of these spots right here. I do still have some little dark spots all around here on my chin, so this is going to really help cover that up. Sorry if I keep looking to the side, I have a mirror here. I zoomed in a little bit just so it could be a little easier to look. I'm gonna go in with the Born This Way concealer in the color medium nude. For my concealers, I do like to go 1 to 2 shades lighter than my foundation just because I use it to kind of highlight my face, and I noticed that it does cover up my dark circles under my eyes a little bit better. The reason I don't go all the way across in a triangle shape on my face is because I realize that when you want to blend it out, it doesn't blend as well as when you leave a little bit of room here. And now I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild contour stick. This is in the color Oaks on You. This is kind of an old contour stick that I have. I really like it, so I haven't actually made the effort to get a completely new one. But I kind of use this to just contour a little bit. And now I'm going to go in with the number 7 translucent powder. As I said in one of my previous videos, I really like this powder because it doesn't have silica in it. I noticed that most powders, or translucent powders that have silica in them, cause a lot of flashback. So I don't like to use those. Alright, so I'm going to let this set for a second, and I'm going to do my eyebrows really quick. I know I look kind of weird, but I do like to let my face bake a little bit. So I'm gonna go in with this. I don't usually like to do my eyebrows much just because, especially filling them in, because they are pretty full already. So right now I'm just gonna lightly go over them with this eyebrow pencil. I think it's a Maybelline New York. It's just the shaping pencil in brown. So I'm just gonna go just a little bit I know it's not your usual beauty guru like eyebrow way, but I don't like to use dip brows or anything like that. I noticed that it makes my eyebrows look very chunky. So before I go ahead and take all this off, I'm gonna go in with a little bit of eyeshadow primer. I am running low on this tester. I really just need to invest in one. But this is the Urban Decay eyeshadow potion. I think it works pretty well. And actually, right before I take this off, I'm actually gonna set this on top of my eyes with I'm using the BH Cosmetics Color Festival palette, and I'm just going in with the color Experience right here. And I'm just gonna lightly put some on top of my lid. All right, and now I'm gonna take this brush right here and just brush all this out. All right, so let's get this started. So first I'm gonna be using the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette right here. And I'm gonna be mainly using these pinks and yellows right here, all on this side here. So I'm actually gonna start off with this yellow color right here. And I'm gonna be doing that around the inner corner area of my eye. Just kind of patting all of this in here and softening up the corners for this outer upper line right here. But I'm going in towards my inner corner here. Now I'm gonna be going in with this pink color all the way down here, and that's gonna be on the outer corner of my eye, blending in towards the middle. And now in this middle part right here, I'm actually gonna be putting a lighter pink color. I'm gonna try and mix this top one and this one right over here, mix these two, kind of blend them both in together. I'll be taking this other brush and kind of blending out these lines in between the yellow and the lighter pink, and the lighter pink versus the darker pink, just kind of smooth those lines together. Because this is a really out there type of makeup look, I am going to bring this pink color towards the top near my brow bone. Once again, I'm going in with that last dark pink and bringing it. Now with the yellow color, bringing it up. I am going to go in the inner corner with a slightly darker pink, leaning more towards like a fuchsia color, I guess. Around one of these two. Now I'm gonna start bringing down these colors into my lower lash line. So I'm gonna go in with the yellow right under here. Right about halfway. Then with the darker pink, I am gonna go in with my e.l.f. black eyeliner and just line a little bit on the waterline, just about halfway, and then tight line my eyes. Now I do wanna get more of a winged look, so I am gonna add some concealer right under here. Now I am gonna take the other BH Cosmetics palette, the Color Festival, and use a little bit of this EDM color right here, just in the inner corners of my eyes. I'm blending it towards the middle of my lash line. And I'm gonna be taking a little bit of that candy color here. It's a bit of a shimmer. Just right under here. And in the middle, right around here. Now I am gonna draw my winged eyeliner off camera just because it does make me a little nervous to do it on camera and I don't know how it's gonna come out. So I'm gonna do that off camera right now. Now I'm gonna go in with my Better Than Sex mascara and lightly coat these lashes. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye off camera and I will come back to show you guys my contouring and highlighting, and then that's gonna be it. All right, so I finished both eyes. Kind of a struggle with the winged eyeliner over here, but I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my 24-hour brow sweat setter by Benefit and just kind of go right over my eyebrows just to set them in because I never did it earlier. All right, and now I'm actually gonna take my Too Faced bronzer in the color Medium Deep, just this brush here, to kind of contour my nose a little bit. And now I'm gonna take a contour brush and just sweep this a little bit along my jawline, forehead, just here on the sides to add a little bit of color. And just patting a little bit on my face, just to add some color. Now, before I set my face, I'm actually gonna add a little bit of rose water and I'm just gonna spritz it all around just to have because I use a powder highlighter, I just wanted to have something to stick on better. So I am gonna hydrate my face a little bit. All right, and I wet my little fan brush a little bit, just so I can pick up some product better. Go on the nose, bridge of the nose, a little bit right over here. And now I'm gonna go ahead and set it with the Too Faced Peach Mist. It's the mattifying peach spray. And I am gonna mix it with a little bit of the rose water because I do want a little bit more of a dewy look, because when I do use this spray, it tends to be very matte and I want to have a little bit of a mix between matte and dewy. I'm also gonna reapply my mascara because I always feel like when I set my face, it kind of brings down my lashes. It's just a personal thing that I feel. And lastly, I'm gonna go in with a little bit more of that light pink here in the center. And all right, this is the finished look. I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of a close-up. Almost forgot. I'm gonna lightly line my lips. I just line them with the Rimmel London Lasting Finish lip liner, and it's in the color Tiramisu. This is like my absolute favorite, just because it's a nice nude, complements my skin tone pretty well. And then I found this random gloss. It's from Victoria's Secret. I'm just gonna put a little bit in the middle part of my lip just to kind of highlight my lips a little bit. I don't want to draw too much attention away from my eyes, so I'm just doing a very nice nude lip. And this is the finished look. All right, so this is the finished look. Got some nice pink, yellows, all that. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this makeup tutorial. It is one of my first makeup tutorials on this channel. I will be coming out with more looks like these, but also some more simple makeup looks, as well as beauty facts, skincare, just a bunch of different things on this channel. So if you do want to keep up with all these videos that I will be posting, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below and the notification bell to be notified when I do post those videos. As always, leave a comment down below with any ideas or suggestions. I love to see everyone's input. We are all here to learn and grow together. With that said, I also do have my social media links, such as my beauty Instagram and my personal Instagram, along with Spotify and Snapchat linked down below. So don't forget to check those out if you do want to vibe with me on other social media platforms. As always, everybody stay safe and healthy, and I hope you have a wonderful day or night or whenever you're watching this video, and I will see you next Tuesday. Bye.